students, today we will discuss the theorem if two lines intersect each other then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Whenever you have to prove any theorem, then there are four things to be done, because generally these type of questions come for 3 or 4 marks each. So always write what is given. Given means what is there in the question. We are given with construction is very important. You cannot do this question without constructing. When two lines intersect each other, always name the lines. These lines are AB and CD, which are intersecting at O. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. These two and these two. This has been done to show that this one is equal to this and this is equal to this. Now we'll write this thing in this portion. What is given? AB and CD are two lines intersecting at point O. Now you will write the thing that has to be proved. To prove angle AOD is equal to angle COB. This is the first thing to be proved, and angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. This is everything from the question, and you have secured some marks for yourself in this question. Even if you don't know the answer, you can write up till here and you are done with half of the question. Now proof. However, you will know this thing because this is a very simple theorem, very simple to be proved. Now to prove this thing, let's take this line. Whenever there is a pair of angles on a straight line, then the sum of these angles is 180 degree. So you will write angle AOC, this one and this one, plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, take this line CD and these two angles, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. These two are equal. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle AOC plus angle AOD. This one is equal to this one. Since AOC are on the both sides, these are equal. Therefore, angle COB is equal to angle AOD. One is proved. You have proved that angle COB, this one, and angle AOD, these are equal angles. Now, since now we have to prove this in the similar manner. Second thing to be proved was AOC is equal to angle DOB. Now we have to prove that AOC is equal to angle DOB. So take line CD where angle AOC plus angle AOD form linear pair, that is 180 degree. Similarly, on the line AB, angle AOD plus angle BOD, or you call it DOB, whatever, is equal to 180 degree. In the previous case also we did in the same way. Now since these AOD are common, therefore angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. These two equations are equal. These two equations are equal and AOD are common. So AOC is equal to DOB. We have proved the second equation as well. Whenever you are doing the theorem questions, it's necessary to write given, then to prove, construction, the proof, and after you are done with the proof, you have to write a statement, hence proved, and write what you have proved, that either write these two angles, these two things, these are equal, or you can write angles vertically, you can write vertically opposite angles are equal for two intersecting lines. I hope you have understood this theorem, because it's very clear. You have to just show that vertically opposite angles are equal, and in this case you will use the linear pair property as a proof. I hope you liked the video and you understood the concept. And if you need any help, please contact me on the given email ID. Thank you.